Hello guys, good morning. I'm junior engineer. Today I'll be explaining a little bit about our ship incinerator. So before starting how it works, first I will explain about the basic parts of the incinerator. What is this, what is this, what is this. So I will give a brief about the ship, about the parts of the incinerator. So first thing, this whole assembly is our incinerator assembly. And this incinerator, basically we use our incinerator for burning two types of material. One is solid one and another one is liquid one. The solid one is like our general waste, like paper, cardboard paper or anything like that. And our liquid one, the other one, is generally waste oil, that is sludge, which comes from this sludge tank. So every sludge which we collect from different machineries goes to fuel oil waste tank, and from fuel oil waste tank it comes to this sludge oil settling tank, and from this sludge oil settling tank we have a line goes to incinerator. For the solid waste, we will open this part. I will tell the names of all the part. Before I am just showing you from where we put our solid waste. So from here we put our solid waste, and liquid waste, it comes from there. So before starting about the incinerator, I will name the parts. So this is our whole incinerator assembly. This is the furnace, this big round. This is the furnace, and these are different assemblies. So this line is for diesel oil. So before starting the incinerator, we use diesel oil to make the main burner start. So this is the main burner. So this is you can say the pilot burner, which will start the main burner. So this is the diesel oil burner. Oh, sorry, this one is the diesel oil burner, and this one is the sludge burner, which will be coming from here. So, and we know for firing we need three things. First is fuel. So fuel will be coming from this here for this one. Second thing is air. Air will be already sent inside by, you can see, we have different dampers here. So one is for combustion air. You see, one is for combustion air. So air we will get from here. We know that for firing we have the fire triangle. So air is done, fuel is done. So the third thing is the heat source. So the heat source will come by burning the diesel oil. So when we burn, the temperature will rise, and the rise in temperature will make this sludge burner pop up. So if the sludge burner runs, the pilot burner stops. We will not use diesel anymore. We will use our waste oil to make the incinerator fire. So this one is the burners. Atomization. So that atomized air is coming from here. It will go both to this burner also, diesel oil burner also, and to sludge oil burner also. This is the air line. You can see air line, one going to this sludge burner and one line going to this DO burner. Okay, so air here will come at high pressure and then will atomize the oil. Okay, so these are the burners. One more important thing is we have an induced fan here. This fan is very important. If this fan don't run, the incinerator will not run. It will get tripped. So basically this fan is called induced fan, and this main function of this induced fan is to purge the air inside the incinerator before starting the incinerator. When you start the incinerator, first this fan will run for about 20 seconds. There is a timer. First this fan will run for 20 seconds. It will purge all the air out, and then this burner will start. So this is induced fan. And other parts like this grey color pipeline is the exhaust. After firing, all the exhaust goes up from this pipeline. So this is our exhaust line. We have two doors here. One is this small door and one is this big door. This big door is called sluice door, from where we put solid waste. All the solid waste, we open this up, put, and then rotate, and that solid waste will go inside the incinerator. This door is called ash door. After completing all the combustion, after burning all the sludge, all the solid waste, we collect the ash from here, from this door. So this is the handle which we will pull, all the ash will come out. So we collect the ash and put it in separate part. And after that, this valve, this red color valve is for sludge oil. which will go to this sludge burner, and this pink color one is for DO, diesel oil. Pink color one is for diesel oil, which will go to this DO burner. And this valve in the middle is DO, but it's interconnected to this line also. So before starting, suppose we are not using sludge oil, but we want DO to go to sludge burner, so we will use this line. We are using DO in sludge burner, so we are using this line. See, this line is connected to DO, oil will come from DO and it will go to sludge line. So if we are not using sludge oil, but we want to use DO, so we will use this line. So DO will go to this main burner, sludge burner, okay? So after that we have so many solenoids here, so many solenoids. You see, so many solenoids. These solenoids are this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. These all are solenoids. This solenoid will send signal separately for separate alarms. Now we will come to the control panel. So this is the incinerator.